What if I told you the next decade of business isn't just about growth, it's about explosion? Imagine your company scaling 10 times faster than your wildest dreams. Sounds impossible? Well, buckle up, BizLit fam, because today we're cracking open the playbook that's redefining business as we know it. This isn't just another business book, it's the updated Bible of hypergrowth that companies like Google, Uber, and Airbnb have been religiously following. And now we're pulling back the curtain. In a world where tech is evolving faster than we can blink, Exponential Organizations 2.0 just isn't giving you a peek into the future. It's handing you the keys to build it. Whether you're a scrappy startup or a future 500 giant, the game is changing. And trust me, you don't want to be left behind. By the end of this video, you'll understand why some companies are growing at warp speed while others are becoming dinosaurs. And more importantly, I will share with you all the tools and links to countless resources so that you'll know how to make sure that you're on the rocket ship, not just watching it take off without you. We're talking AI that predicts market shifts before they happen, blockchain revolutionizing entire industries overnight, and a framework so powerful it's turning startups into unicorns faster than ever before. But here's the kicker. This isn't just theory. We're diving into real-world case studies, practical strategies you can implement tomorrow, and the exact blueprint that these tech giants use to dominate their markets. So if you're ready to discover the secret sauce of exponential growth, to learn how to future-proof your business or career, then stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the principles that could utterly transform your professional life. Let's start by breaking down what's new in Exponential Organizations 2.0 and why it matters more than ever before. First things first, the pace of change has gone from linear to exponential. Technologies like AI, blockchain, and quantum computing aren't just buzzwords. They're shaking up industries overnight. Salim, Ismail, and Peter Diamandis update us on how the pandemic didn't just disrupt businesses, it accelerated the future. Remote work, digital transformation, decentralized finance. They're not just trends, they're the new norm. At the core of every exponential organization lies a massive transformative purpose. It's not just about making profit, it's about making a profound impact. Your MTP is your North Star. It's what gets you up in the morning and keeps your team aligned and motivated. So, how do these organizations achieve such explosive growth? They leverage the XO attributes neatly divided into scale and ideas. Let's break them down. Staff on demand. Why hire full-time when you can tap into expertise exactly when you need it? Think about how Upwork and Fiverr have revolutionized freelancing. Community and crowd. Your users aren't just customers, they're your collaborators. Lego's Ideas platforms lets fans submit designs, turning customers into creators. Algorithms. Data-driven decision-making at scale. Spotify's Discover Weekly uses algorithms to curate your personalized soundtrack of your life. Leveraged assets. Why own when you can access? Uber doesn't own cars. Airbnb doesn't own hotels. They leverage existing assets to scale rapidly. Engagement. Keep your community hooked with incentives and gamification. Duolingo turns language learning into daily habit through streaks and rewards. Interfaces. Seamless user experiences are key. Apple's ecosystem is a prime example of interfaces done right. Everything just works together. Dashboards. Real-time data at your fingertips. Netflix monitors every click to optimize content and user experience. Experimentation. Adopt a fail-fast mentality. Amazon is notorious for A/B testing everything to continually improve. Autonomy. Empower teams to make decisions. Spotify's squad model allows for agility and rapid innovation. Social technologies. Leverage collaboration tools to break down silos. Slack and Microsoft Teams are more than just chat apps, they're collaboration hubs. So what's different in the 2.0 version of the book? The authors dive deeper into how exponential technologies like synthetic biology and nanotech are set to disrupt even more industries. They also introduce the concept of the exponential executive, leaders who are not just adapting to change, but are architecting it. Let's talk about real companies applying these principles. OpenAI, from zero to hero in AI development. OpenAI leverages community input and staff on demand to push boundaries of what's possible. Shopify, empowering entrepreneurs globally. Shopify uses APIs and leverages third-party apps to create a scalable platform. Tesla's over-the-air update continuously improve their cars long after they've left the factory. Now, how can you start building an exponential organization or career? Embrace disruption. Don't fear change. Drive it. Identify how emerging technologies can disrupt your industry. Build a strong MTP. Define a purpose that is both massive and transformative. It should be a rallying cry for your team and community. Leverage technology. Adopt tools that enable scale and ideas. Automate processes, use data analytics, and foster collaboration. Cultivate an exponential mindset. Stay curious, be adaptable, and always be learning. The exponential executive is a lifelong student. The next decade belongs to those who think exponentially. Linear growth is a thing of the past. It's time to rewrite the rules. Exponential Organizations 2.0 just isn't a book, it's a manifesto for the future ready. And if you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out the OpenXO website, where you'll find more tools and resources and insights from the Exponential Organizations community. I'll drop the link in the description below. So here's the challenge. What one exponential principle are you going to be implementing today? Comment below. If you found value in this deep dive, hit the like button and subscribe to BizLit for more game-changing insights. And share this video with someone ready to embrace the future. Until next time, keep thinking big, stay agile, and remember, the future doesn't wait, and neither should you.